So since I last talked about this stock, this has actually made a return of 440%, but after correction, recent correction, it is up by 250%. So what we are going to do here, we are going to analyze the chart further, and we are going to look how the long-term trend looks like. So hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the long-term chart of Anglesey Mining, and as you can see here, you will find a specific trend inside which the stock is currently moving. So let me take you to the line chart, which will give you a better view. Now, if you are looking at this chart, the chart is specifically moving in between particular set of levels. Okay, so let me just bear a couple of minutes with me. Let me show you how the charts are currently moving. A price is currently moving and where are the levels. So I think this will be it. One or two more to go here. So here we are. So I think this is it. Now, as you can see here, I have used line chart, but this is perfectly fit for candlestick chart as well. Now, if you are looking at this chart has specific levels as I told you. So you have these two levels on the downside, 1.03 and 0.88, and on the upside you have 92 or 93. And let me tell you, the chances are that it will definitely retest its previous high that it has made in the year 2011. So what I'm talking about was the high that it has made, I think 10 years ago, since we are in 2021. But it's not going to be a straight line. The way we are going to looking in this kind of trends, so we will approach it on individual basis. So let me talk to you about the trends and how do we approach it. So as you can see here, the way the stock is moving, so currently the trend for this stock, or the stock is trading in between 4.87 on the downside and you have 11.4 on the upside. And recently the stock has tested the high of 11.45 and it is in between, as I told you, 4.87 and 11.45. Now, if the stock holds above 4.8 or 4.9 as it is right now, so the stock will definitely go and retest 11.5, which the stock has recently tested. But before that, what you have to know here is your stop loss or the important support levels. So you have your first support at 4.87 or 4.9, then you'll have your next support at 3.1, and you will have your lower support in between 0.88 and 1.03, because it is actually trading in between a consolidated range for the last 30 or 35 years. So the entire trend is active right now. So but it is completely depend on the individual whether he or she want to get out before the support level breaks, which means that if someone is not comfortable below 3.17, it is up to them, because the next low will come at or in between 0.88 and 1.03. But this is all about the support level. On the resistance level or the target level, if the stock holds above 4.9, as I told you, you will have your first target at 11.45 or 11.5, then you will have your second target at 18, you have 24. So the probability till 24 is 80 to 90%, or I would say 95%. But there are two more levels that are also there, and if the stock crosses above and sustain above 24, then the stock may go for its next target, which is at 48, and it may extend to 93. So the chances are there till 93 as well, but the probability is less. So let's see how the stock moves after 24. For the time being, what we are looking on the downside is 4.8, on the upside is 24. If the stock sustain above 24, then you have 48 and 93. The thing here to understand is, because we are looking at a flat chart, we are not going to move beyond the trade either on the upside or on the downside. So we are bounded in between 0.88 on the downside and 93 on the upside. So this is the way you are going to approach the trend, and let's look at each and every trend or each and every target on individual basis. So if one target accomplished, go for another one and trail your stop losses accordingly. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.